Hey y'all, I'm Jay, and I'm not very good at woodworking, but I'm curious. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look at the 15-piece iGaging setup block set available from chipsfly.com. So it says right on the package, iGaging right on. Right? Wonder if they mean right? Solid aluminum, blue anodized finish, protective case. All right. So, right now, for a lot of stuff, I use these 3-2-1 setup blocks. I have a garbage fence, and this is the really one of the best ways that I can get 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and then I can double them up to go up to 6, or basically any variation in between. As you can tell, what it can't do are increments of that. So I when I got the email from Chipsfly, placed the order immediately. Price seemed pretty good or good enough, and then yeah, here we go. Okay, so pretty cheap case, but that's fine. A little bit of foam in here, but not enough for the whole thing, which is interesting. That's again, these are fairly inexpensive. I need them to be accurate. But pretty, maybe that's asking a little bit too much at this price. So what you get with that is you get another 3-2-1 block, and this actually has some measurements on here, which is sort of interesting. 1, 2, why does that say? Why wouldn't it be coming from the same corner? I guess they're measuring this way across. Do you see that? That's odd, but okay. Oh, actually, okay, maybe we are. Block thickness accuracy to the 1, 2, 3. Okay, a lot. Very accurate. So, the interesting thing is, you can see these are 30 seconds all the way down, and the cool thing is they actually give the measurement across there. So you could be looking at this and you're like, well, wait, is it this way or this way? That's the 7/16, and it does tell you that. So that's really, really interesting. Once you get down to the thinner ones, obviously that's 5/30 seconds. It's not the width here. What I would be interested in is all these seem to be, no, they're not. Yeah, all these are the same height. So I wonder, and it's the thickness that varies. I wonder if, do a quick measurement, maybe all these are 1/2 inch? Or near enough? I would guess that's probably right. That's sort of interesting. Or I guess we could see here. Yeah, okay. So there's no mark on the 1/2 inch. So all these are 1/2 inch by, whatever the mark is. This is 5/30 seconds, et cetera, et cetera. The markings aren't great. I'm not sure if these are actually engraved on. Feels like they might be painted. So the whole idea with this is, I can set up, let's say I have something that's 2.5 inches. This is my 2, this is my 1/2, lock in my fence, set up my router, set up my dado, whatever, I'm good to go. And you can start lining these up. Anytime you can set up what you're about to cut or drill or route using reference instead of measuring something out, marking on it, and then cutting to that line, you're going to be better off and you're going to be more accurate, and it's definitely going to be repeatable too if you're doing big batches of stuff, even something like drawers or something like that. I just grabbed these knockoff Craig setup bars real quick. I got these probably about a year ago. I don't think I've ever actually used them yet, but if you're familiar with the Craig system, or the Craig product, this is just like it. So this is 1/2 inch. So basically, I think everything here is, this is a 1/2 inch. This measurement here is 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch. So you can set it on top of a router. Maybe not for table saw use, but if you're trying to, I guess if you're trying to figure out your dado stack depth or something like that, it could be pretty useful. But I just never really use these. I gotta probably leave them out more so they're more in the rotation. But I do use my my 321 blocks all the time, and I think I'll also be using these now too. It just seems like a much easier way. There you go. I'm really looking forward to putting these into action on my table saw and my router. I purchased all the equipment myself for my own personal use, and I'll put the links below in the description where you can find it. If you want to see more videos like this, leave it in the comments below. Thanks a lot.